Hey, I won't make it into work later today.
This works for baby, and I got the other one. I got the meat number.
Well, I might be in labor.
Yes, I
so.
do. I just haven't got it. I'm gonna go grab one. Happy baby.
No, I feel like I'm gonna throw up, kinda.
No, this is not how it's supposed to happen!
The baby is coming out butt first.
I can't!
This is really hard. Seriously, I can't fucking do this.
I need something.
Oh, it burns so bad. Morning!
Oh, come back, please.
No, I can't do this.
Oh, let me go, Mom. She's coming.
We
have a baby coming out. Detect and call.
Oh, it's a boy.
Oh, my love.
Oh, I love you.
Oh, my God.
Hi there, honey.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Mom.
Here's your daddy.
Oh, yeah, I can't believe it.
She's not going nowhere.
Well, the bathroom floor wasn't the plan.
She came in the bathroom.
I know, that was so tough. You did a good job.